Hey, what's up? If you're like me, you value your freedom, especially when it comes to spending more quality time with your family and yourself. But let's be honest, traditional 9-to-5 jobs, they don't exactly scream flexibility. That's where online business comes in. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 practical and wise reasons why starting an online business is the ultimate flex if you want more time with your favorite people. Reason number 1. Flexibility on your own terms. When you run an online business, you control your schedule. You're not chained to a desk or a boss's calendar. Need to pick up the kids from school or catch your partner's surprise lunch date? No problem. You get to build your work around your life, not the other way around. That means more soccer games, more family dinners, and more spontaneous adventures. Number 2. Location independence. Imagine working from your kitchen, a cozy coffee shop, or even the beach. As long as you've got Wi-Fi, you're in business. Literally. This kind of freedom is game-changing, especially if you want to travel, move closer to loved ones, or just avoid that daily soul-crushing commute. Alright, reason 3. Scalability and smart income. With online business, you can automate, outsource, and scale in ways a regular job just can't offer. You set up systems like online courses or digital products that make money even while you're hanging out at your kid's recital. More family time, less stress about clocking in extra hours. That's a win in my book. Number 4, cost savings and less stress. No traffic jams, no need for expensive work clothes, no pricey lunches out. That money adds up. Plus, less commuting means more time for the people who matter most. Your home becomes your office, your happy place, and your family hub, all rolled into one. And finally, number 5, you set your own rules. Want to take every Friday off for a family hike? Go for it. Need to schedule a midday nap or a play date? You're the boss. This kind of autonomy is priceless, especially when you're trying to be present for those little moments that make life special. So if you're dreaming of more family time, more flexibility, and yes, more freedom, an online business isn't just an option, it's a power move. It's about designing life on your own terms and making memories that actually matter. If you're ready to take that leap, you've got this, and your family will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and click the link below to learn more.